The agric minister was at Jukwa village today to inspect the poultry farm project. So kindly stay tuned for the activities that went on today. So this place houses about 100,000 beds. This project was sponsored by the Exim Bank. So there you have it. This was what transpired today at the central region, Jukwa to be precise. The inspection of the poultry farm project here at the central region. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so. Hit the notification bell so you get update. See you next time.